Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, Western Pangasinan. Dito tayo sa last stage of the tour, the Western Pangasinan. So we have here Mr. Balulong from Malasiki. So parting words on joining the racer.
Una-una, maraming salamat po sa Western Group ng bikers. Salamat, entertain nyo pa rin kahit na nasa Central Pangasinan. Pero isang napakagandang opportunity dyan. At ng lahat ng mga 40-50 above na kategorya ay nakakatagisa ng successful and very successful din naman itong nangyari. Kaya maraming salamat po sa Western Pangasinan Bikers Group. Mabuhay po tayo na.
Thank you very much, sir. So we're planning to have a race again on 2024. See, we are inviting more bikers to come. So kindly invite those groups in Malasiki or the nearby town, maybe Calasiao, Bayangbang, to join our group. So we will be having the race again on 2024. So malaking this is a big event next year. So ang pinaplano namin kasi dadagdagan ulit yung yung mga visitors at saka stage. So magiging by next year 2024 we will make it mga 10 stages siguro.
10 stages in
Western Pangasinan.
Good news po yan, Architect. Kaya siguro lahat ng mga taga-Eastern, Central, lahat ng organisasyon maganda po dito na sumali po yun. This is purely kung ano yung edad, yun talaga.
Yes, sir.
Sumasali dito at napakaganda po yan. Sana inimbitan namin lahat po yung mga bikers group to join at 2024 next race sa Western Pangasinan.
Thank you, sir. So see you on Saturday. So there's the change of schedule again. So we'll be awarding on December 16. So Baywalk at Rimis Restaurant. So we'll be giving a plaque of appreciation to the founder of the Western Pangasinan, no other than Modesto Bonso. So come and join and enjoy the awarding ceremony. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.